By the end of this video, you will know how to set up bank transfer rules in QuickBooks Online. Begin in QuickBooks Online with the left navigation menu, open Accounting, then select Rules. This takes you to the Rules area where QuickBooks can automatically categorize transactions based on details that appear in your bank feed. For this setup, you are creating a rule that identifies transfers between accounts so those transactions are handled the right way when they appear. Once you are on the Rules page, click New Rule. A form will open with the settings for the new bank rule. The first field is the rule name. Enter a name that clearly describes what this rule is looking for. The name is mainly for your reference, so use wording that helps you recognize the transfer pattern later when you review or update your rules. Next, choose whether the rule applies to money in or money out. This depends on how the transfer appears in the account you are working with. If the money is leaving that account, select money out. If the money is coming into that account, select money in. After that, select the bank account the rule should apply to. Make sure this is the correct source account for the transactions you want QuickBooks to catch. Now add the conditions that identify the bank transfer transactions. This is where you tell QuickBooks what text or details to look for in the downloaded bank activity. The common setup is to use bank text, then choose Contains, and enter wording such as transfer, online transfer, or the description your bank uses for transfers. The exact phrase can vary by bank, so use the wording that matches the transactions in your feed. If your bank uses more than one description for transfers, add the condition that fits the pattern you want this rule to recognize. Under Then, select Assign. This tells QuickBooks what action to take when a transaction matches the conditions you just entered. For the transaction type, choose Transfer. Then select the destination bank account. This is the account on the other side of the transfer. Review that selection carefully because the rule needs both the correct source account and the correct destination account in order to classify the transaction properly. Before saving, review the full rule from top to bottom. Check the rule name, the money in or money out selection, the bank account, the condition text, the transaction type, and the destination account. If you want, test the rule using transactions in your bank feed that contain the same transfer description. This helps confirm that the wording in your condition matches the transactions you expect the rule to catch. When everything looks right, click Save. The rule is now stored in your rules list and ready to apply to matching bank transfer transactions as they come in. Your bank transfer rule in QuickBooks Online is now set up and saved.